Hi guys, definitely Mario here. Today we want to finish our light switch. So let us change to Unreal. Last time we stopped here with our light switch and our light. Remember, if we want to click on our light switch, our light won't do what we want. I start now in this little tiny window. But then we press E, nothing happens. So let us fix it. But first we want to clean our code a little bit more, so let us make a new folder, interfaces, and let us create an interface for all our interactables. So we name it Interactables. We open the interface and call this Interact. We save, and this is all we need at the moment in this interface. We go on light switch. We go on class settings and implement on our interface. Interactables here. Save, compile. Now we have the new function interact here. Double click it and it will appear there. Copy this. Go here. Take the dot. Bring our lights here. And then we can erase everything here. Now go to Blueprint, make a new variable, and call it Interact Actor of type Actor. Go back here. We have to cast this cast to BP person character. And now we want to set interact actor. And we make it to save them. Now we want an overlap, a new thing we not make before. We want to set in our person character the current interact object. So for better purpose, we can write current interact actor because that is the correct name. We have to do it here too. Cast to BP person character and set current interact actor, but here we set it back to null because if we go out the overlap, we have no current interact actor. So far, so good. That's all we need on this part. Now we can get our interaction EA interact here, and we can do an amazing thing. We get our current interact actor. We cast it, cast to interact tables. Now we have a comment object because our interface. We can cast all. It doesn't matter which interactable it is, as long as has the interactables interface. And now we can use function of it. So we can say interact. Now we can, from the BP character, person character, start our interaction with any interactable object that have the interactable interface, or better in Unreal actor. But an actor is an object, so it's not wrong at all. Now we go back, we start. I have one little error, anything near here. Yeah. I forget that we have to pin it here too. Let us make a little rewrite here. Yeah. So here is all fine, here not, because we have to add it here too. Let's make a rewrite to make it a little bit leaner. Compile. Start. Now we have our little game window. We open it. And the light is off. And the light is on. Off. And on. So far, so good. So our light system is now, light switch system is now ready. So let us make some comments. Mark all, press C. Here, check if entering actor is player and set current interact object in here. Check leaving of actor is player and unset current interaction vector. And here start interaction process and toggle all connected. And we want one more here. What we had here, flashlight, so we can make here comment 2. Toggle flashlight, and here start interacting with current interaction actor, and we have make all our little comments. So we're done with this video. I hope you learned something, and I want to remember for the polling of our first ghost investigation tool. It's on my Patreon. The link is in the description. It's totally free. I would love to see you vote. See ya.